Hello everyone. In our practice school session related to drug design, today we are going to discuss about OpenBabel software. OpenBabel is a computer software. It is a chemical expert system mainly used to interconvert chemical file formats. It is freely available under an open source license from the link given here. From this link you can freely download this software. So what are the applications for this software? It is used to convert the ChemDraw file formats to the smiles. The applications of ChemDraw softwares and the smiles we have already discussed in our previous video lectures. I can provide the link in the description box. You can check out videos from there. The other conversions that we do by this software is the conversion of the CDX file to the mol file, the CDX file to the SDF file, the CDX to the PDB file, and also we can convert smiles to the CDX or the SDF files and so on. Now, what is the importance of these conversions? It is important because only some specific type of files are required to do some in silico studies. Like PDB file is required to generate the PBQT file which is used for docking studies. Structures which are drawn in ChemDraw can be saved in CDX file format and can be converted to any other format for docking studies. Now for conversion you can click on the OpenBabel. You can click on the OpenBabel. And this is how the OpenBabel window looks like. There is an input format and the output format. OpenBabel have more than 110 file formats, so it is very useful file converter. In input format, you can select any file format by choosing here. For example, I have chosen the CDX file format, which is a ChemDraw binary format. Now in the output file format, here you can select any file format which you want, the format which you want. For example, here I have chosen the SDF file format. Now if you put a tick mark here, then you can run more than one file conversions at a time. Anyways, now we can choose our file here by browsing from here. We can browse from here the file from our computer. Now from browsing here I can save the file format which I want, and then I can click on the convert button. After clicking the convert button, I here get the one molecule converter. It is written here that 0 molecule converter, that means no molecule is converted here. But if it is written 1 molecule converted, means 1 molecule is converted here. Now when one file is converted, then where it is saved? It is saved at the same place where your input file is present. So let's check out some example. Now first let's see how you can save a CDX file. So this is the ChemDraw file format. You can go to the file, save as. You can get various options from here. Like here I am selecting the CDX format. I am writing the name 1. So I am saving this as one CDX. It is saved as one CDX. Now in the OpenBabel format I can browse one CDX, open. So one CDX, it is open here. Now I can browse here and type the name which I want to save, like 1 SDF. I want to convert this file, a CDX file, to the SDF file, so I can save it. Now here I can select the SDF file. Now I can click on the convert button. Here it is written 1 molecule converted, and this is the file format, and the file is saved at the desktop only. So we can check the desktop. Yes, here this is the one CDX format, and this is the one SDF format which we have converted. Now I want to convert this SDF file to the PDB file, so I can select here the SDF file. This is the SDF file format. I can select this, and I want to change this to the PDB file format, so I can choose the PDB format. Now I can choose the SDF file, 1 SDF, open. I want to save this in 1 PDB, save, and then I can convert. Here 1 molecule converted means the file is available on the desktop. So the file is available at the desktop. Yes, 1 PDB file. Now I want to convert this CDX file to the SMILES. So I can again select the CDX, 1 CDX, here, open. I can again select the CDX here, CDX file format which I want to convert the input file, and I want to convert it in the SMILE format. So I can click here and select the SMI, SMILES format. And then I can browse. I want to save in the format of SMI. I can save, and then I can click on the convert. 1 molecule converted means here I can get the SMILE notation of the molecule, and this is also saved at the desktop. Yes, here SMILES. So here I have converted the CDX file format to the SDF file format, then the SDF file format to the PDB file format, and then I have converted the CDX file format to the SMILE notation. So this is how you can convert different file formats by using OpenBabel software. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Just click on the subscribe button below this video and do share with your friends. Thank you for watching.